The end is near. Yes guys, to all Bitcoin bears watching this video right now, this is my final and desperate warning, because right now the price of Bitcoin looks like showing weakness and looks like the bears might be winning at the moment. But if you zoom out, you know what could be happening regardless of this pullback, because on my previous videos I have been very clear with you guys. At the moment the price of Bitcoin could show further more corrective move, get attracted around the 62,000 support line before starting with an actual impulsive move. I mean, the price right now looks like following this rising wedge pattern, a bearish continuation pattern with price of GDP around 62,000. But if you zoom out guys, this pullback here could be just a temporary pullback, which could be preparing ourselves for another continuation here like this. I mean, price of Bitcoin after showing weakness, price of Bitcoin after testing the support which we have around 62,000 could be preparing ourselves for another bullish move. And why? Because I have been very clear with you guys. In the meantime, the price of Bitcoin might show weakness. It might be forming another reverse box pattern type of formation, where price is expected to show a double top type of formation before finding bottom, before starting with an actual bullish move. And if you look at this example, the price does looks like it might be forming a double top type of formation. But if you look at the bigger picture, this double top could be a formation of double bottom, just like from this past price action before breaking it to the upside. So that's why guys, that's why the pullback what we are witnessing right now is absolutely normal, because that is preparing ourselves for another impulsive move. I mean, wave 1, wave 2, and this here could be a preparation of wave 3, and this wave 3 could be also a sign that parallelly we are forming this Wyckoff's reaccumulation phase, because I showed you this, we have entered phase C, and in phase C we are expecting sideways movement, even pullbacks before starting with an actual impulsive move, just like I shown you an example. Because according to Wyckoff's reaccumulation schematic 2, this pullback is very normal. In phase C, price is expected to show further more pullback, further more shakeouts, but remaining over 60,000 means the price could be slowly heading towards this phase D and also towards this phase E, which is going to be a beginning of a new market phase. Because we are aware, in the meantime, the price is also forming an inverse head and shoulder type of formation. If you look at this, this is our left shoulder, right? This is head, and this might be a formation of right shoulder. So if the price of Bitcoin remains over 60,000, I personally think this could be a preparation of another continuation like this. I mean, after few sideways movement, after some pullback, right, this is going to be another continuation towards this neckline and even break above it like this. Yes guys, because according to this inverse head and shoulder, our price of GDP sits above 90,000. So that's why we strongly believe that 90 to 100,000 could be attracting us regardless of this weakness what we are witnessing right now. Because if you also zoom out, you can see guys, in weekly time frame, the price of Bitcoin looks like forming a double top, which I just showed you, right? A double top type of formation, just like from this past price action. But this could be a very tricky one. It might look like double top after a few pullbacks, after testing some key line around 60,000. This could be another continuation like this. I mean, price after testing this key line, price after coming back to test this 62,000 could be forming a perfect right shoulder, could be forming a perfect phase C from Wyckoff reaccumulation phase. Even this reverse box pattern will play out, and this rising wedge pattern, price of GDP, will also play out, which could be a beginning of an actual bullish move. Because we are aware guys, if you look at this price action in a smaller time frame, the price is holding the support which we have around 64,000. This lower trend line from ascending channel is holding us, and if you look at this ascending channel carefully, you can see guys, this actually looks like higher highs, higher lows, continuation pattern type of formation. And in the past price action, whenever the price has found support at this lower trend line from this ascending channel, it has resulted in a bullish move. So for us right now, 64,000 around that area, this ascending channel, rising channel will be acting as support. But It doesn't necessarily mean the price has to show a move like this. There might be few shakeout, price coming even lower to test the support which you have around 62,000, and then re-enter inside this ascending channel and then start with another continuation like this, following a continuation pattern known as high highs, high lows continuation pattern. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that in the medium short term, yes, we still have few more support above 62,000, which is going to hold us at this current stage. So along with the ascending channel, we also have support from this CPR indicator, our leading indicator. So if the price in the medium short term manages to remain over this 64,000, then you can see we have tested all the support from this bottom CPR line, support from this central CPR line, and even the support from this top CPR line. So this support has been tested. So if the price manages to remain above 64,000 in the medium short term, you can see this will be looked as bottom, and price after that is expected to show another continuation at least towards this monthly arrow line for this month of June, which sits around 74,000 before showing a move like this. I mean, choosing a trend direction. So that's why in the medium short term, our focus is definitely going to be around 64,000. But in a bigger picture, we are not worried. Even if the price goes lower than 62,000, even up to 60,000, please look at the bigger picture, because this is another very interesting scenario forming right now for Bitcoin. I mean, this is known as a symmetrical triangle. We have two types of symmetrical triangle. One is bullish, another one is bearish symmetrical triangle. Bullish symmetrical triangle gets formed during uptrend, and if you look at this bullish symmetrical triangle, upper trend line acts as resistance, lower trend line acts as support. But when the price finds proper support, or when the price breaks out of the upper trend line, it results in a bullish continuation. So since our symmetrical triangle is also being formed during uptrend, we are not going to look this as a bearish continuation pattern. Even if this starts showing a move like this, I mean, price failing to hold this support which we have around this lower trend line, which also acted as support in the past price action. I mean, this trend line here, upper trend line, acted as resistance, lower trend line is acting as support. So if the price goes lower than 64,000, then you can see we are expecting a continuation like this to play out, with some fake out, price liquidating the over leveraged longs, and then starting with an actual bullish move, because this is a bullish symmetrical triangle, because it is being formed during an uptrend. So this is what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame using different scenarios. If you enjoyed my vlog, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this are the first time to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex and OKX, and please check the video description, because this is free money which is available for our community members. So if you want to take advantage of this free money, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.